This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by killing airflow and removing immediate hazards. Turn the HVAC off, and if the cover is near wiring, shut the breaker. Climb a stable ladder, wear goggles and gloves, and feel the grate for screws or clips. If screws are visible, loosen them with a #2 Phillips. If hidden, use a flat tool to depress spring clips. Once the cover is free, lower it slowly, supporting its weight so dust doesn't rain down into the room or onto your face. With the cover removed, vacuum the duct throat and wipe the grill clean so you can see damage clearly. Inspect fins for bends, rusted spots, stripped screw holes, or broken clips. These determine your repair path. Measure the opening and note screw length, head type, and whether anchors are present. If threads are stripped, plan to use a larger screw, plastic anchor, or a nut-end bolt through the flange. If the flange is warped, a gentle clamp and heat, or reinstalling starts with the right fasteners. Select screws or anchors that match the original thickness and thread into solid material. For stripped holes, use a plastic anchor, wood plug, or a small rivet to regain holding power. If clips broke, swap them or use short sheet metal screws positioned into framing. Once secure, run the HVAC on low to test for rattle and seal. If you hear vibration, tighten or add a thin gasket. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent wobble occurs, check for warped metal or misaligned framing. Replacing the cover often solves this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.